For less than 500,000, no bidding. Can we get a condo townhouse in Markham, Thornhill, top-ranked school zone? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. Today, I'm going to show you one of my excellent exclusive listings. It's located at Bayview and John Street, a condo stacked townhouse. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. This stacked townhouse located at Bayview and John, in the center of Thornhill. It has access to public transit and it's close to malls and grocery stores, including Asian supermarkets and Chinese restaurants. Thornhill Community Center is also nearby with a lot of amenities such as swimming pool and library. St.Robert Catholic School is also nearby, and its famous IB program is really popular among many parents who focus on children's education. This is an exclusive listing for 7 days only. The price is $498,000, no bidding. You also don't need to raise price. What you see is what you get. If you're interested in this property, don't miss this golden opportunity and contact me as soon as possible. Let's take a look at the neighbor. Within 2 minutes walk, there is a mall. The building with the green roof is Food Basics. Outside this community, it's very dynamic with the malls and shopping stores, but inside it is very calm and prosperous. We even have a playground for children. This community fits the needs of growing family with small children. I said before that we are in walking distance of malls and grocery store, but actually within 60 feet there is a local mall with cafe and even a Hunan Chinese restaurant. Our unit is 135. It's the lower unit of this stacked townhouse. We can put a barbecue in the patio. Let's get inside the property. After we open the door, we face a closet. Then we have the living room. It has a rectangular shape of about 130 square feet. It's connected to the kitchen. The kitchen is suitable for small families. The countertop is pretty wide. It's upgraded to cars. There are enough cabinets to use. And we have a gas burner stove. Let's have a look from this angle. The renovation is very new. Let's go to the second floor. There is a washroom. The size is good, with a premium one-piece toilet. A bathtub shower, and we have storage cabinets. It's very modern. This is the master bedroom. The size is very good, about 160 square feet. It's very bright. We are facing the local mall. Let's have a final look at this room. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.